Every time someone says artificial intelligence, they might mean one of three completely different things. And mixing them up makes you look lost. AI, machine learning, deep learning. People throw these words around like they mean the same thing. They absolutely do not. In the next 5 minutes, you will see one simple picture that makes the difference obvious forever. Let's draw it out. Start with the biggest idea. Artificial intelligence just means any machine doing something that normally needs human smarts. That's the whole definition. And here's the twist. AI does not have to learn anything. Some of the smartest looking machines are just following rules. Think of an old chess computer. Humans hand-wrote every rule it followed. It beat grandmasters without ever learning a single thing. Same with a video game enemy that hides when you aim at it. It looks clever, but it's just if this, then that. But rule-based AI hits a wall fast. Nobody can write rules for recognizing every cat photo on the internet. It's impossible. That wall is why machine learning exists. Instead of writing rules, you show the machine thousands of examples. It finds the patterns itself. Your spam filter learned what junk mail looks like from millions of real emails. Nobody ever typed a rule for every scam. Movie recommendations, credit card fraud alerts, the price of your taxi ride. All machine learning, all learned from mountains of data. But classic machine learning has a catch. A human still has to tell it which clues matter. That's called feature engineering. For spam, a person decides the machine should look at the sender, the subject line, and the suspicious links. Humans pick the clues. So machine learning is powerful but needy. It wants tidy data and human guidance. What if the machine could find the clues itself? That question is the doorway to deep learning. And it's the reason the last decade of AI got so wildly good. Deep learning uses a neural network, layers of tiny math units loosely inspired by neurons in your brain. Loosely is the key word. Feed in a photo, the first layer spots edges. The next combines edges into shapes. Deeper layers find ears, whiskers, a face. No human ever told it what a whisker is. With enough layers and enough photos, the network discovers the clues on its own. That's the real difference. Machine learning needs humans to pick the features. Deep learning learns the features itself, straight from raw data. Deep learning is why your phone unlocks with your face, why voice assistants understand you, and why cars can read the road. It's also what powers ChatGPT and other chatbots, a giant network trained on massive amounts of text, predicting one word at a time. So why did this only explode recently? 2 reasons. The internet gave us oceans of data, and gaming graphics cards gave us the horsepower. Now the picture I promised. Draw one big circle, label it AI. Everything smart a machine does lives inside this circle. Inside it, draw a smaller circle, machine learning. The machines that learn from data instead of following handwritten rules. Inside that, one more circle, deep learning. The machines that learn with deep neural networks, no human-picked clues needed. So every deep learning system is machine learning, and everything here is AI. But it never works backwards, circles inside circles. Quick test, a thermostat following fixed rules, just AI. A spam filter learning from examples, machine learning, ChatGPT, deep learning, you've got it. Next time someone says AI is going to change everything, you can ask, which layer do you mean? Then watch their face. Rules make AI, data makes machine learning, layers make deep learning. 3 circles, one inside the other. That's the whole story. If this made it click, subscribe for more Tech Made Easy, and check out the neural network video on your screen right now.